Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, we want to show you how to install Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine and chat bot that answers questions with direct responses backed by clear citations from web. It is excellent for research as it provides sources for its information, making it trustworthy alternative for traditional search engines. A standard feature is its Pro Search for deeper web navigation. How to install and download. For Android/iOS, search for Perplexity in the Google Play Store or App Store. For Windows, you can download the native Windows app from Perplexity website or install it as a progressive web app. For web, visit perplexity.ai. So go to Play Store, select Apps and search Perplexity. Perplexity AI, select on it. 4.5 stars, 1 million reviews, 10 million plus download. Select install. So the app is installed. Select open. Get accurate answer from today's best AI models. You can sign in with Google, sign in with email, or single sign on. You can also skip, then select plus. Give you option for you to upload image, camera, file, connectors, and also deep research. You can search. If you want to search for any question, for example, type on it and search hello, give us 4 best side hustles to make money online with reasons. Then you submit. Generating the information. Here are 4 strong side hustles to make money online with reasons why they work. Number 1, freelancing. Offer skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or visual assistant work. It is one of the fastest way to start earning because you can begin with skills you already have and find clients on marketplace or through direct outreach. And the link, Indeed +1 is the reference, the link from where you got this information. Then number 2 is selling digital products. Create and sell things like templates, planners, ebooks, printables, or design assets. Once made, digital products can be sold repeatedly without restocking or shipping, which makes them attractive for passive income potential entrepreneur plus one. So this is the link or source where he got this information. The third one is affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through a blog, email list, TikTok, YouTube, or social media and earn commission. This work well because you don't need to create your own product and it can grow over time if you build an audience. The source, YouTube plus one. This is from YouTube. The last but not least, number 4, content creation and monetization. Start a YouTube channel, blog, newsletter, or short form content page and monetize through ads, sponsorships, memberships, or affiliate links. It can take long time to build, but it has strong long-term earning potential because one piece of content can keep bringing in views and income. The source is YouTube plus one. Best pick for beginners if you want the quickest start. Freelancing is usually the easiest because it can pay sooner. If you want something more scalable, digital products and affiliate marketing are better long-term option. The source, indeed. So after it gives you the information, it will give you further questions to ask. So it might ask you further questions so that you can type the question to add a follow-up question. Would you like me to rank these by easiest, fastest, or highest earnings? Then you can select the question, follow-up question, and submit. So you can add questions, images, side hustles, images generated. This is how to install Perplexity. And if you select on the images, also give you news. If you go to get started, you can sign up, sign in, also give you trends. So this is how to install this app or how to use the app. Thank you very much indeed.